Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling one of the biggest issues of our time, climate change. You have heard about it, but do you really know what it is? Is it just hotter summers or is there more to it? And most importantly, can we fix it? Stay tuned till the end because I will show you real world solutions and a fun quiz to test your knowledge. Let's go. What is climate change? Let's start simple. What's the weather like today? Maybe it's sunny or rainy. That's the weather. It changes daily. But climate is different. Climate is a long term pattern of temperature, rain, and weather events over decades or centuries. And what are the evidences? Scientists use ice cores to study CO2 levels. And guess what? They are highest they have been in 800,000 years. That means something big is happening. But why? Causes of climate change. The earth is warming, and here's why. Number one, the greenhouse effects. Normally, greenhouse gases trap heat and keep earth warm. This is natural, but too much CO2, it turns earth into an oven. Number two, human activities. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, or gas adds tons of CO to the air, trapping more heat. And number three, deforestation. Trees absorb CO2, but we are cutting them down at record rates. Fewer trees equals more CO2 in the air. The results? CO2 levels have increased by nearly 50% since the Industrial Revolution. And what happens when there's too much CO2? Disaster strikes. Effects of climate change. Here's what's happening right now because of climate change. Number one, rising temperatures. 2016 and 2020 were the hottest years ever recorded, and it's getting worse. Melting ice. Arctic sea ice is disappearing fast. This means higher sea levels and flooding in coastal cities. Number three, extreme weather. Heat waves, droughts, floods, and hurricanes are becoming more intense and more frequent. Climate change isn't just a future problem, it's happening now. But don't lose hope, there's still time to fight back. What can you do as an individual? You don't have to be a scientist to help, every small action counts. Reduce energy use. Turn off lights, use energy efficient appliances, and unplug devices when not in use. Conserve water. Less energy needed to pump heat and water. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Less waste equals less pollution. Sustainable diet choices. Meat population accounts for 14.5% of global emissions. Try plant-based meals to lower your carbon footprint. But we can't do this alone. Governments and communities must take action too. Communities and government actions. Want to make a bigger impact? Here's how. Advocate for change. Support policies and cut emissions and prompt sustainability. Number two, community initiatives. Join local cleanup projects, tree planting drives, and conserving efforts. And number three, renewable energy. Support solar, wind, and hydropower to replace fossil fuels. Number four, there's no number four. The more people act, the bigger the change. And some countries are already leading the way. Real world examples. Here are some countries that are making a difference. Costa Rica runs on nearly 100% renewable energy, and Germany investing billions in wind and solar power. Norway leading the world in electric vehicle adoption. Less fuel equals less pollution. If they can do it, so can we. But we need to act now. Our planet, our future. Climate change is real and it's happening fast. But the good news, we can fix it. Every action, big or small, makes a difference. Switching to clean energy, reducing waste, and speaking up can help save our planet. The future is in our hands. Let's protect it. Likes Like, subscribe, and share if you learned something new today. Stay awesome. Thank you.